Hey guys, you must remember this fan-made image of Galaxy S9. And now we have one more image which is posed to be of the Galaxy S9. This is an image of the back of the Galaxy S9. We can see the single camera and a much better placement of fingerprint scanner, just like all the previous leaks. The flashlight and heart rate monitor are there inside the glass surface, just like the Galaxy S8 and Note 8. But this is not the Galaxy S9. It's a photoshopped image. The Galaxy S9 will look like this, but it's not the Galaxy S9. This was the original image. It's the Samsung flip phone and it looks similar to the Galaxy S9, but at the end it's not the Galaxy S9. It's early for Galaxy S9 to come in real life. But all these screenshots are real. These screenshots are from the heart rate scanning screen and this image tells us where to place your finger. But the thing we are interested in is the camera arrangement. Single camera with the fingerprint scanner placement below it. It's almost confirmed right now. It's a single camera, so it's the Galaxy S9. But the thing I'm wondering about is that will they change the image for the S9 Plus and put a dual camera animation for the S9 Plus, or they will keep this image on both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus? We just have to wait to find out that. The on-screen keys looks the same as the Galaxy S8 and these are the second best on-screen keys I have ever seen. The best looking keys for me will go to the Google Pixel 2. I like simple original stock keys. These are some new renders of the Galaxy S9 and we all know that the bottom bezel has gone and the top bezel has shrunk a little bit, and this looks absolutely insanely stunning. The Galaxy S9 will feature the same screen as the Galaxy S8 but in even more smaller body. Well, the almost 90% screen to body ratio is no joke. The iPhone X looks outdated. It's not outdated, I know, but next to Galaxy S9 the bezel looks considerably big. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. Do you guys think that these images are real? I surely think so. And just one more question, who looks better, iPhone X or the Galaxy S9? To me, the Galaxy looks better. iPhone is really good, but Galaxy is a little bit on the better side. I will cover everything about the Galaxy S9, so make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.